Good PM. Today is Thursday, April 18, 2024, and here are the 3 p.m. Estel Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandawi City. Here are the Estels for 3 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games in Amusement Corporation for Thursday, April 18, 2024. Here are the SLs for 3 p.m. draw result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Thursday, April 18, 2024. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for Thursday, April 18, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.